Today, I'll be showing you how I stretch my hair for length retention. I received a comment asking how I do my braid outs, and that's what inspired this video. My preferred method of stretching my hair is with a braid out. In this video, I'm actually re-braiding an old braid out, but typically I braid my hair on freshly washed hair. However, when life gets hectic and I don't have time for a full wash day, I'll simply redo my existing braid out. As you can see, I braid my hair in 4 sections. This makes the entire process much smoother. Since each braiding portion is already divided into 3 pieces, I can proceed with braiding it to save time. But to make my next wash day easier and to reduce tangles and remove loose hairs, I prefer to unravel each braid in piece and re-moisturize before re-braiding it again. The only products I'm using are water to hydrate my hair and Jamaican black castor oil to seal in that moisture. Before unraveling each section, I lightly mist my hair with water to make it more malleable, which helps reduce breakage. You can use gel or mousse for a stronger hold, but personally, the fewer products on my hair the better. My braid out usually lasts the entire day when I'm mostly indoors, but if I'm spending a lot of time outside, especially in humidity or wind, that's a completely different story. I've come to terms with my natural hair and learned to work with it instead of against it. For example, I always carry a hairband in my purse just in case the weather causes my hair to transform into a style I didn't plan for. When that happens, I'll quickly put it in a low ponytail or an afro puff. At the end of the day, my hair has a mind of its own, and I've learned to compromise. One of the biggest benefits of heatless stretching is reduced tangling. Type 4 hair has the tightest curl pattern, which makes it more prone to single-strand knots and overall tangling. Stretching my hair has significantly reduced tangles compared to when I wear it in its shrunken state or in a wash and go. Styling my hair is also much easier when it's stretched. My hair is more malleable and can create a wider variety of styles with little to no hassle. Heat never really worked well with my hair. It led to breakage by removing too much moisture. Heatless stretching has helped me to retain moisture and maintain healthier hair overall. When I reach the final inch or 2 of each braid, I twist the ends. This helps protect my ends and make the takedown process much more easier later on. This process does take some time, so I'll show you the end result. If I remember correctly, I ended up with about 29 braids in total. I usually braid my hair into anywhere from 25 to 30 braids. Now I'll show you how I take my braids down. Since the ends are twisted, it's much easier to undo them, and it also helps protect my ends from breakage. As you're unraveling your braids, be extra gentle and try to keep all 3 braiding pieces intact. I don't recommend separating the braids into smaller pieces, especially if you have frizzy hair. Keeping my hair in its original braiding sections give me the best definition and the most consistent results. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see you in the next one.